Hi again. It's me, your little traveler. Today, I'm going on a yummy and windy adventure. First, we visit a super old restaurant where the kebabs smell like magic. Then we zoom over shiny new roads that look like they belong in another country. And finally, we meet big splashing waves, a lazy beach dog, and even fighting birds. Hee hee, ready to join me? Let's go, vroom vroom. Right now we are walking on one of the oldest streets of Mumbai. We are very hungry and Prasad uncle is taking us to one of the most iconic restaurants in Mumbai. Prasad uncle said it's more than 100 years old. Wow, that's even older than my grandma's stories. Yummy smells. They make kebabs here, smoky and juicy. It felt like food from history, maybe kings and queens also ate like this. After lunch, we are now driving on the Mumbai roads with a beautiful sea view. Now we have entered a tunnel which is part of a brand new road called Coastal Road. This tunnel is so long. I feel like we are driving inside a snake's belly. Hee hee hee. I can see the big blue sea on one side and tall buildings on the other side. Mama pointed and said, "Look, that's Haji Ali Dargah, floating in the water like a white palace." Wow! The coastal road is so wide and shiny, I thought our car would start flying like an airplane. The road was full of twists and turns, bridges and small roads joining in, like Hakka noodles connecting in a bowl. It felt like we were in a different country, but Baba whispered, "Beta, this is still Mumbai." Wow! Then came the Bandra-Worli Sea Link, the superstar bridge. It looked like a golden ribbon tied across the water. I tried to count the big wide towers, but they ran past so quickly. 1, 2, oh no, gone already. The sea below sparkled in the sunshine, and far away, the city skyline waved at us. It felt like our car was taking us to new adventures. Then my mummy shouted, "Look, that is Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan's house." And then, we reached Bandra Bandstand. The waves were huge, running fast towards the rocks, going hush. I wanted to chase them, but they were so big, like playful monsters. The sun was getting ready for bedtime, but still shining bright, like a golden ball that didn't want to leave the playground. A dog was sitting in the water, cooling off like it was his personal swimming pool. He looked so relaxed, I thought, maybe he's the boss of the sea today. On the rocks, I saw something funny. A pigeon and a crow were fighting over a basket of corn. Flap flap, caw-caw, cuckoo. I wanted to tell them, "Hooray, share na, there's enough for both of you." Everyone laughed. Today felt like a big storybook, full of food, roads, bridges, and waves. But guess what? I will flip to my favorite page in the next episode. Thank you for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. And please like, share and subscribe to Prasad Uncle's channel.